So now let's see how we can save and access our Google Slide presentations. So over here, I have a Google Slide opened up. And what happens is that when you create a new slide, it automatically gets saved onto the root folder of your Google Drive account. So if I were to go to drive.google.com, the name of the file is welcome. So I have already named this. So once I name it, what happens is that it gets saved right here. So if I were to scroll down right here, you will be able to see welcome right here, as you can see. So it's automatically saved onto my Google Drive. But if you want to change out the location, then you can click on move right here, and then it'll open up a small dialog box where you can access your Google Drive folders. So I'm just going to go around, create a new folder and say Google Slides presentation. So I'm just going to type in presentation, Google Slides presentation, just like this. And then what I can do is I can simply move it right there. And now what happens is that it says welcome has been moved from my drive to Google Slide presentation. So you can go on to my drive and then you can go to Google Drive, that is Google Slide presentation, and you can access your Google Slide document right here. You can double click to open that out, and that is how you can access it out. You can also access your recent slides from slides.google.com. You can search for your recent slide right here as well. So if I were to type in welcome and hit search, you can see that all the Google Slides that you've saved will pop up right here, no matter where they are saved in your Google Drive account. And that is how you can save and access presentations inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.